back to my channel. I'm going to be filming an unboxing video for the Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch. I pre-ordered it about like over a month ago and I just got it today. I hope this is a good angle. Let's get started. Oh my god. Look at that. So this is the box it comes in. I love the box by itself. Oh my god. Which I don't know how to open, obviously. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Look at these colors. This is so pretty. And then the green. And we have a little manual here for the system. I feel so dumb right now because I don't know what these cords are even called. And here is the charger. And then we have the little controller handle. And it comes with both of these. And this here is the dock. And now that I have everything unboxed, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together just to see and get a feel of it. The first one, unwrap like the boring stuff, like cords. I knew what this was. This is an HDMI cord, which I think I needed that because I think all of the ones I have on my TV or in my house in general are like all used up. So, and then of course it has, this is the charger. It's a USB-C, which is really cool. I think I can actually charge my laptop with this. So yeah. And then like I showed you are these little wristlet things. I don't know what they're actually called, but I'm gonna put them on the controller. They're adjustable. Like you press this button down and you move it up and down to adjust it to your wrist. Unwrap these. And then this is the blue. I love this color. These are so pretty. The white is on the back, which I love the green because like green's my favorite color. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach these on here. You actually have to slide it on like this and it goes on there. And the little buttons are on the inside right here are actually on this to press it down. I'm probably gonna like put the blue one on this if I can. Yeah, I'll put the blue one on this one. And to get it off, you just slide it back up and take it off. You can actually put the blue on here with the green one. And then of course, most people know about these. I don't. It's that same concept. You just slide it on from the top like this. And look at that. And of course, this is like the cutest thing about like the whole entire Switch system is the dock. This is so cute. And this is the back, it's just white. And then it has the ports in here for the USBs. And then in the inside, you open this, and on the inside it has more ports. It has AC adapter, USB, and HDMI. Duh. And then, last but not least, look at that. Oh my god, it's so clear. This is the bottom. This is the USB-C port to charge the Switch. And the top, it has a game card. It has a little vent on the top, the power button, and volume. And then this is my favorite part of like the whole thing. It's actually the back of this. Like, look at the details on it. So pretty. My boyfriend should have shown me this because I couldn't get off of here, but you just press down on this black thing to take it off of this. Just in case if you're an idiot like me and you don't know. And see, can't get it because my nails. But yeah, so I'll put this on here. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Here's the other one. I feel like such a nerd right now. Look at it from the front. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn it on too. Look at that. It's brand new. Oop. It's loading. That is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. English, of course. Oh my god, it's my first game console. That's crazy. I love the noise it makes. Oh my god, listen to this. It's like a snap. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna link my account. I feel like such a nerd right now. Literally, like when I was in school, only like the nerdy kids like played with their Switch at school. It's so hard to film here because my family's so freaking loud. But yeah, once I get the game, we'll play it on here. Of course, I ordered Animal Crossing and it comes next week, like I said. And right now I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm not really tech savvy like that, so, but I hope I showed you guys like certain details that you guys wanted to see. And I'm really happy with my Switch and I'm super happy with it, and thank you for watching. I've waited for this since February 1st when I first ordered it, and it's finally here. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.